Imagine what happens when the vision of an entertainment mogul, the out-of-the-box design of a team of top-notch architects and expertise of people outnumbering others in the world of screens and displays merge. Simple. It's a spectacular architectural marvel surpassing the entertainment norms. The brainchild of James Dolan, the Sphere was dreamt up by Sphere Entertainment Company and brought to life by the architects at Populous. Their aim was simple: to make a place where people can enjoy truly immersive live entertainment in real time. A place where they connect through emotions, technology, and clever design. They went all out. A whopping $2.3 billion has been spent in creating this one-of-its-own-kind cinema experience, with a screen spanning across the ceiling, haptic seats generating wind and sense, and a sound system with 1,800 holoplot speakers, capable of sending dedicated audio tacks to every seat. The Las Vegas Sphere, which opened in September 2023, has really raised the bar high for the other entertainment ventures in the near future. Unrivaled auditory experiences, the real feel of being a part of the movie, and larger-than-life screens define the spherical hypnotic megastructure. But that's not what we're talking to you about today. But how does all of this actually work? Without delaying it any further, let's just raise the curtain and let the show begin. Press the rewind button. Stop, it's 2018. The Madison Square Garden just unveiled the Sphere, an architectural marvel. They're the folks behind iconic venues like Radio City Music Hall, the Chicago Theatre, and of course, Madison Square Garden. So what's obvious? They're no strangers to entertainment spaces. The Sphere, however, marked a new chapter for them. They moved every stone to bring Dolan's dream to life, gathered top talent from various industries to realize their vision of redefining live entertainment. 5 years of hard work and dedication, and the grandeur building, Las Vegas Sphere, opened its doors for business in 2023. Before anyone gets lost in the marvels inside, its striking exterior alone is good enough to captivate people's attention. External LED skin. The exosphere. Construction and design. The exosphere is like the sphere's outer skin, but it's not just for looks, it's a big screen. It's built with 1.2 million LED pucks, which are small lights, grouped into over 400 panels. These panels are connected to a strong steel frame and are separate from the main building. The exosphere covers an area of 580,000 square feet, making it one of the largest programmable ALED displays in the world. How it works? The exosphere dwarfs the average screen, being 3.5 times larger. Despite its massive size, it operates similarly to regular screens, relying on pixels. Each pixel consists of 3 tiny lights, red, green, and blue, blending to create various colors. With 1.2 million individual lights, each resembling a hockey puck, the exosphere delivers stunning visuals. The lights merge seamlessly from afar, providing a sharp image, even though the components are spaced far apart. The LED pucks can be told what to show, making the Sphere stand out in Las Vegas. It can display anything you can imagine, turning the building into a giant, changing artwork. Exosphere, the world's largest screen, was designed by Sako. They are known for their incredible light shows and screens worldwide. After completing work on the tallest building, the Burj Khalifa, they aim to surpass their own record. Behind the scenes, the exosphere is constructed from more than 400 LED megapanels, which are mounted on a steel diagrid structure. This structure is separate from the main building, allowing the exosphere to function independently. The LED pucks on the exosphere can be controlled and programmed to create a wide range of images, patterns, and animations. This versatility allows the Sphere to transform its appearance, displaying everything from dynamic moving visuals to static designs. Whether it's showcasing a giant eyeball, the moon, an emoji, or a basketball, the exosphere serves as a captivating digital canvas that can adapt to different themes and events. Overall, the exosphere adds an extra layer of excitement and visual appeal to the Las Vegas skyline, making the Sphere stand out as a unique architectural marvel in the city. What's inside the Sphere? Time to explore the interior. The atrium houses state-of-the-art audio and visual tech, but what catches your eye first is the Hyper-VSN wall. Although the images appear three-dimensional, it's a clever optical illusion. Think back to those handheld fans with lights on the blades. Well, the holographic wall operates similarly. It's adorned with hundreds of small rotors, each sporting 4 LED-equipped blades or rays, spinning at a rapid 670 revolutions per minute, comparable to a helicopter, if not faster. This speed is too swift for the human eye to perceive, allowing for the display of various sequences. Impressive, isn't it? Aura. The 5 interactive robots. Meet Aura, the artificially intelligent humanoid robots globally, crafted by the English company Engineered Arts over 15 years. Aura blends cutting-edge robotics with machine learning. They don't roam. Their upper bodies move as they engage with visitors, field questions, and deliver presentations on Sphere technology. The system dedicatedly runs various software, including expansive language models like ChatGPT, voice recognition like Whisper, and facial recognition akin to Google's MediaPipe. When done with Aura, visitors transition into the theater. The Sphere's colossal screen welcomes you. To fit the Sphere's super high-resolution 16K screen inside, engineers had to invent a brand new camera system called Big Sky. This camera has a whopping 316 megapixel sensor that can capture even more detail than regular 4K cameras. It dwarfs even the largest IMAX cinemas, curving over and around the audience. Comprised of tiles adorned with LEDs, thin enough to mold to the Sphere's curve, the screen boasts 256 million pixels, setting a new standard for resolution. Despite its enormity, with approximately 3.33 pixels per inch, considerably fewer than modern smartphones or TVs, the screen's visual quality remains impressive. This discrepancy is mitigated by the optimum viewing distance, ensuring clarity from the seats, while pixelation becomes apparent up close. Sphere Studio, capturing content for the wraparound display, has emerged as a bothersome task. To address the challenge of capturing content for the unique wraparound display, MSG established Sphere Studios. Traditional cameras were ill-suited for this task. Initially, filmmakers attempted to stitch together footage from 11 separate cameras, but the process proved unwieldy. Sphere Studios thus opted to construct their own solution, culminating in creating a quarter-sized replica, dubbed the Big Dome in California. This enabled precise editing tailored to Sphere's format, ensuring an immersive cinematic experience. Holoplot speakers. The Sphere utilizes state-of-the-art audio technology from German engineers Holoplot to complement its stunning visuals. Concealed behind the wraparound screen are an impressive 167,000 speakers, averaging 8.4 speakers per person. These speakers are uniquely designed to be ultra-thin, allowing sound to pass through without interference, a feat achieved through collaboration between Holoplot and screen designers Sacco. What sets this audio system apart is its ability to deliver targeted sound to each seat in the theater, offering customized audio experiences throughout the space. This is made possible through complex calculations and precise control of interference patterns. By manipulating the timing and volume of emitted waves, Holoplot ensures that desired sounds reach specific areas of the room, akin to the focused beam of a laser compared to the scattered light of a bulb. Using this technology, the Sphere can tailor audio tracks to different sections of the audience, accommodating various languages, soundtracks, and experiences simultaneously. Seats. In keeping with the Sphere's commitment to an immersive experience, even the seats contribute to the spectacle. Out of the 18,600 seats in the theater, 10,000 are equipped with haptic technology, allowing them to move. During performances, these seats vibrate at specific frequencies, synchronized with the visuals and audio, enhancing the overall experience. Additionally, wind machines are employed to create a range of sensations, from gentle breezes to powerful gusts, accompanied by scents and fog effects. However, the team ensures moderation to avoid overwhelming the senses. Types of shows offered by the Sphere. Currently, the Sphere offers two main types of shows. The first is live performances delivering a multimedia experience that's visually and audibly stunning. The second type of show is part of the Sphere immersive experience, where guests interact with the Aura robots in the atrium before watching a film called Postcard from Earth in the theater. Directed by Darren Aronofsky, this film, shot on the Big Sky system, explores human development and achievement. Ticket prices vary from $79 to over $300, sparking debates about whether the experience justifies the cost. Blown away? Plan your next trip to the Sphere to see the architectural entertainment marvel. Believe us, it's something worth investing in.